Hello there, good morning everyone. And Dano, hey there. Hey Tom, I got some Apex account with your code. Thank you so much, dude. Huge applause to you, my friend. Thank you. This is supporting the stream, and I'm few dollars here and there as being collected. I'm gonna be turning it to the benefit of the stream and the whole community. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting Dano. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Okay, guys. I got to update the title. Today is going to be a little bit of a shorter stream, but we'll see. I try to stay here by the end of the Silver Bullet hour, maybe a little bit longer, because I have a friend coming over. We're gonna do some stuff around the house, and I have to run some errands in the city. But it's cool. Dano, thank you so much again for using my codes. It really helps out the the stream. Long-term goal for me is to build up all these revenues, to be here, to be able to be here every day I can. So thank you. All right, guys. Checking NQ right now. We do have some, and right now I'm on the Quant Tower chart, so don't get confused. Everything is cool. We are repricing a 15-minute fair value gap right here. This is the 15-minute chart. Trying to get used to this Quant Tower charts, and I might be taking a small long position here on NQ because I want to see previous day high to be broken, but it's just gonna be a little tiny position anyway. Why is this so loud? So how is everybody doing? Good morning. Just me. Good morning. Camille is here. Good morning, guys. Huge applause again. Welcome to the stream. Just saying, today this London session might be a short one. I don't know yet. But there is a 80% chance that we're gonna have a short stream, but I'll try to stay at least until the end of the Silver Bullet session, maybe a little longer. I'll see. I have some friends coming over. We're gonna do some stuff at around the house, and then we're gonna have to run to the city to run some errands. And so, it is what it is. We have to do some IRL stuff. Sometimes you just have to. Sometimes it's just it's not just chart time all day long. But I try my best. And being that said, I'm gonna let you guys know I took a small position. Let's see, is there like a price marker? No. Marker ruler. That's a good thing. Custom profile. No. A lot of things here to be drawn with. Line, arrow, angle. Okay, cool. Price targets. Okay, I like that. Price target. All right. What? Oh yeah, so this is it. Okay, I always wanted to check how it looks like at Quant Tower. Let me see. Okay. So this is how it looks like. 875 is going to be... This is really something. Center is 875.25. Stop should be a little bit lower, maybe 68. Yeah, stop loss should be, well, let's go with 68. That's fine. And the TP, I have a high recommendation for TP is at 8. TP is going to be around there. Right there. So, okay. Area colors, let's go with 0.10. 0.10. Okay, so this is the trade I'm in. 92 ticks for TP. And it's gonna be at 98, 898. 898. Okay, so that's gonna be my TP. Let's just hope for the best. Hey, I'm from Europe. Yes, sorry, I wasn't reading. Yes, I'm from Europe. Where are you from? I'm from Hungary. So if you speak some Hungarian, ha beszélsz egy kis magyarul, kicsit. I'm from Hungary. Where are you from? Let me know. Market is about to open in 10 minutes, guys, so... Netherlands. Oh, I love that. I love. Netherlands is beautiful. I love that. I want to go. I always wanted to go to Amsterdam, by the way. Viktor Orban. Yeah. I mean, I'm not into politics. I mean, I'm into politics, but I never do politics when I trade. But I understand. You know, all I can say is that, you know, not all Hungarians are like Viktor Orban. And let's just hope that the YouTube algorithm is not going to take this message to our government, but he's a dictator. Just saying, you know. Viktor Orban is a crook, a dictator, stealing the people's money. And Hungary on paper is a democracy, but in real, there's a dictatorship in Hungary. I'm just saying. There's no freedom of speech. The media is controlled by the government, so don't believe anything you hear. The media is 100% controlled, 98% controlled by the government. No freedom of speech. The government is stealing the people's money, and the family of Viktor Orban is the richest family in the whole Hungarian universe, not just in the country. That's it. All I can say is that his best friend is on the world #1 Forbes richest people list. Why? Because all the money from the European Union is going to Viktor Orban's friend's pocket. So I said too many enough already. So guys, I don't know how much Hungarian people can take, but that guy is a crook. Just saying. Okay. I'm doing just fine. Dano, thank you so much, Dano, again. I don't know if you could hear that earlier or not. I so much appreciate that you bought your accounts with my affiliate code. I can't tell you how much that means to me, because you know, I'm really trying to build up some revenue streams, and sometimes I have hard weeks or months or something, but I try to put this revenue to the benefit of the stream. Thank you so much. And for anyone who is using Team Hey There, for anyone who is using my code, I do appreciate it. You can grab some superb discounts still at Apex, the cheapest accounts right now. And also you can use the My Funded Futures code, 50% on your first starter. Really helps the stream out, because guys, I'm not gonna have any takeout from Prop Firm this month. It most likely that's gonna happen. So every dollar counts. And if you're rich, there's a donation link. And please press the likes, because I'm trying to put this channel up to the thousands, you know. Why no one kick him out? They can't kick him out, Camille. They can't. Thank you so much, Dano. It warms my heart. Thank you, Dano. It really does. As soon as I reach $100, right now, I'm gonna be honest, I have like $30 or $33 with Apex in commissions, so not that much. And I think Apex only pays me if I reach maybe $100 or something like that, or 200. I don't even know. So I'm just collecting that. So thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. It's a few dollars here and there, but you know, it's collecting like a little jar. Okando, good morning as well. Good morning. Yeah, so the thing is, Camille and just me, I mean, here you can't kick him out. You can't kick out our prime minister. He is sealed in. The government is so sealed in. The judges, all the judges, the upper court in the country, all the judges are his men. All the judges. Every big judge or big name is his own people. Nobody can push him away from the throne. He is a dictator. On paper, we are democracy. Our parliament is not even working. Technically, we have a parliament, but the opposing parties, they have technically zero vote. Zero, because our government right now is operating on, they call it mandatorium or paper or something. I don't know, because they are claiming that there's a war. There's a dangerous war situation, and so they are gained control since the past 2 years, since Russia invaded Ukraine. There's no votes from the opposite parties. So full dictatorship in Hungary, guys. Do not believe what you hear in any kind of other media. Dictatorship. Hungary is a dictatorship. On paper, it's democracy, but it's not. So there you go. I said too much, guys. I broke my rule. I don't want to speak politics in my stream. Anyway, this is going to be a little bit of a short stream, by the way, because I have one of my friends coming over in a little while, and we are going to do some stuff around the house, and we have to run to the city to do some errands. It is what it is, but I'll try to stay at least until the end of the Silver Bullet session or more. I took a trade. As you can see, my entry is 16875, and I have a TP up there. I'm hoping that we're going to break higher with NQ. I took it on the 15-minute fair value gap, by the way. Just saying. Gaurav, hey there. How are you doing, Gaurav? So if someone again is new here, it might be a little shorter stream right now, but I'll try to do my best to stay as long as I can. I have a friend coming. Maybe I'm going to introduce you guys to my friend. He's going to be sitting right next to me here when he arrives. So then is going to be the point where I have to say hello to you guys. There's a garage, actually, with a lot of stuff, but it's my old garage. I was using it for my other car, which I don't have anymore. and we're gonna have to pack it out. So there's gonna be some packing and moving stuff around, and my friend is gonna help me, and he's gonna be arriving soon. You're good. I'm doing well. I'm doing well too, Gaurav, and I'm glad you're here, man. It always reminds me that you're so far away. You're basically almost at the opposite point of where I live on the earth. So this is amazing. This is amazing. I do want to go there. I wanted to go there to Amsterdam so many times. It never came through. I was in a few places in Europe, but I always wanted to go to Amsterdam. And although I'm not a weed guy or something like that, but back in my younger days I did some, just a taste of it. But I do want to go and check it out. Yeah, of course I do. Of course I do. Okay, so this is the indicator system I wanted to show you guys. It is going to be quite fascinating, as you guys can see. I'm gonna do a video about that. It's very clean. You guys going to see how this one works. I'm gonna do a video. It's already being able to be downloaded from my Discord membership. If you want to join, it's only $10. Yeah. So this indicator system, it's a set of indicators, so I don't have a name for it yet, and it's actually free. You can download the parts for free on the internet. So when I do the video, I'm gonna point you guys where can you download it for free. But the exact setup and the video how you can use it, how I use it in Confluence with Smart Money Concepts, I'm gonna do a little bit of a mini course in my Discord. It's going to be uploaded hopefully until this weekend, because I have to do a webinar as well. It's helping me a lot. Yesterday it made awesome trades, and I'm going to do a backtesting session as well. Again, this is a free one. It's going to be on my YouTube, and you're going to be able to go for it for free, absolutely free. But the way I do things with it and other stuff like that, I'm going to be uploading it only to my Discord. Anyway, it's fine, basically. It's completely fine. I just want to show you guys that when I'm look at that, almost at the take profit level. Almost at the take profit level. Actually, you know what? I closed my trade down. I closed it down because I didn't like this rejection. So this was my original target, but I closed it down. It will still go up there. I think we will go to previous day high, which is actually, if we look at the 15-minute chart, you can see that this is the 15-minute NQ. Let me reload the history data. So you guys can see, okay, and there you go. TP should be taken real shortly. We should be taking out these highs. Let me see if you guys can see what I see. No, it's not working with NinjaTrader. It's only working on MetaTrader. But there you go. TP has been made. So technically, correct answer. Correct answer. Correct result. I'm looking for these highs to be broken on NQ. And what else? It's working with MetaTrader, but the way you can utilize it is basically just download any kind of MetaTrader that has the NASDAQ or so-called US 100 or NAS 100 as a CFD. The chart is basically 99.9% the same. So it's exactly the same, even the 1-minute chart. And you upload it to a MetaTrader 4 on a demo account, and you can use it as an indicator. I'm not basing my trades on that indicator, but I'm using that indicator as kind of a confluence or kind of a plus, just to remind me of where the trend is going. So it's kind of a plus, confluence, or confirmation if you want to use it. But it really helped me out in a couple of trades. I made an FTMO test account. It's a demo account with FTMO, and I made 2% profit, almost 2%, by only using $100 stop losses, and it was on a 50K account, so I made around $1,000, but it was real cool. I'm gonna do some more updates on that. So anyway, what we're looking at right now is, let's do the 1 hour chart, and let me get this off here. So what we can see right now is that this is the 1 hour Nasdaq. As far as I can tell, as I can show you, we have some buy side liquidity actually, not just around the 16,908 level, but we can go to 930. Previous day high was at 921.75, and we can go all the way up to actually 930-ish area. If we look at the big picture, let me go to TradingView because I can show you a bigger picture. If we go to the big picture here on TradingView, you guys can see that on the daily, let me delete this. We don't need that. So this is the daily chart. Let me delete some levels, that doesn't really matter. So this is the daily chart. I was trying to long all that drop, almost lost your XFA. Come on, man. Yeah, I mean this dip was real crazy yesterday. I wasn't really sure what's happening. All this indecision from Tuesday, last Thursday to Friday, and also on Monday. If you look at these candles, I would expect price, by the way, to go up into, and I'm going to mark this level and mark this up for you as well, 17,057, guys. And push the like button, please. I almost forgot. Please push the likes. Need to push this stream. No, I mean the one right now. Oh, the one. Okay. Oh my God. I mean, I entered on the 15-minute fair value gap. So yeah, I entered on the 15-minute. So this is, again, this is the daily chart, and what I think we will go for is the 057 area. And if we zoom it out on the daily, just look at that. We have, let me delete this one as well. We have a fair value gap still left open right above 17,057. And not just that, if you look at ES, let me delete some lines here which are unnecessary. If you zoom to ES daily, zoom out to the daily, still just go look at the 4761 area. 4761 from as a buy side from 2022 March 29. Guys, I am so confident. I'm so confident that this level is gonna get hit. There is so much liquidity. Let's just check it on the weekly. There you go. Look at that swing high. I'm just gonna zoom out on the weekly. So look at this swing high from the weekly. 2022 March 29. We're so close. I think we can push it. Maybe not this week, maybe not next week, but all this, what I can see on the weekly, is consolidation and maybe one more push to the upside. So that's why I'm staying bullish with NQ as well. So after, this is NQ again, after yesterday's daily candle took out quite some liquidity. Let's see, took out this low, and even it went down to the bullish order block on the 1 hour, consequent encroachment, you name it. You know, we only left with one daily BC here. So there is a daily BC that is still untouched, but I still think that this should push for these highs. That is my personal opinion. You don't have to agree with it. This is what I think. And if someone is thinking differently, you can go away. No, but really, that's what I think. And so right now I'm definitely targeting previous day high and then go to the 30s because there is liquidity above us. But I wanted to play it safe. And that's why I entered on this 15-minute fair value gap down there. That was my bread and butter, just for a quick trade. Market is open, by the way, so I totally forgot that London was open. So we're 9 minutes in the classic London silver bullet area. I think the draw on liquidity should be on this level. So the buy side should be around 908. We should be going for that 908. If you want to take a long position, I might take a long, I don't know. I'm still thinking. You can take one on this fair value gap based on the 5-minute chart. And it's still good for at least 15 points. You can go with 50. It's a 1-to-1 trade, guys, if you want to take it now. I totally forgot because I was talking too much. If you can still enter, it's not that big a deal, 2 points off, you know. With 15 points target, 15 points stop loss, you can still enter. There you go. It's going a little bit down there. I think the draw on liquidity is definitely there on that high. Of course, we are in a daily premium, so that's a little bit of a problem. It's your decision to make this trade or not. I think there is the draw on liquidity up there. No way! No way! Cami Capital is here, guys! Cami Capital is here? No way, guys. I'm a huge fan, man. I'm a huge fan of yours. Dude, I'm a huge fan. Did I say that already? I'm a huge fan. I was watching your stream since I don't know how long. Dude, you're the first celebrity dropping into my stream, dude. Thank you so much for being here. I was streaming actually last year, you know, but it wasn't really going well. But I am actually honored that you dropped in. I'm actually honored. Cami Capital, if you guys don't know him, check his stream out because I'm a fan of everybody. Cami Capital is a great guy. He has a huge following as well, and he's using ICT concepts, and he's trading the PM session in New York most of the time, but now I see you stream on the London session. He's a great guy. I love everything you do. I love your videos, your reviews, and sometimes I commented there, but nowadays I'm trying to do my best here. I'm a little bit I can't trade now, guys. Cami is here. I can't take a trade. That's all. I can't take any trades here. Go check his stream out. If you guys don't know him, go check his stream. He's an awesome guy. He's a legend. He's a legend. I'm sweating, guys. I'm sweating. I have to use Old Spice, guys. I'm sweating. Man, so good to see you here. How are you doing? Any good trades, Cami? I think you're streaming, dude. He's a great guy. I never thought that I see him here. Okay. Thank you so much for dropping in. So what I was totally forgot what I wanted to do. Yeah, so we have this small fair value gap. We can target this this level at 908. I'm gonna think about Cami now all day. But don't worry, I still love the girls, but still, it's Cami, you know. So what a great morning. Kitty is here. Hey there. Üdvözöllek, jó reggelt. Kitty is a fellow Hungarian from my country. More and more visitors and viewers from the country, from the old country. It's good to see you. So if some of you guys took this trade, I didn't because I already had a nice trade. Oh, he was short. Great. Great. I saw him. I saw his stream pop up, but I didn't check into his stream. But so as I said, from 890 we can go to 908. So I really do hope that if some of you guys took this, I didn't, because I already take this trade from 74. So I hope you guys are doing it for the 908s. Otherwise, I think we should break the 921 as previous day high. And yeah. Otherwise, I told you guys the overall I'm bullish on NQ and ES as well. I'm looking for those historical highs. I believe that we should go back above 17k. That's the big picture view. That doesn't mean we cannot drop like a rock from here. And so let's see. Yeah, so we can still drop. We're in the daily premium, but I would like to see this high to be broken. If not, you know, guys, the drill is that we want to see some kind of a displacement to the downside to target some lows, because this is the 5-minute NQ chart again. And if I want to be... Oh, this marker is not... Oh, this marker is not good. Let me put it back to its place. There, that's correct. So the midnight level, price level is still here. I would like to see if this one wants to dump. I would like to see break structure at 870, most likely. This is also a structure shift, but to consider to look for the sell side down there. Otherwise, I'm still looking for price to break these highs. This one and then go to previous day high. Yeah. And then higher and higher. We have liquidity above the 30s, by the way. I can show you at the 15-minute chart. Where? Or on the 1 hour maybe? Maybe on the 1 hour. Let me go to the 1 hour. Yeah, on the 1 hour. So guys, we do have a 1 hour sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, which is right around from here. So that's a 1 hour target right around the 30s. We could pop into that level. That's a nice target. Otherwise, yeah, it's a little bit choppy up there, but I think it can go for it. Absolutely, we have all the chance. So let's dive back into the 5-minute. Let's dive back into the 5-minute. Guys, this just made my morning. A celebrity jumped into the stream. Okay, at least amongst traders, definitely a celebrity. And by the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. Let's push it and push the like button. Also, we have a great discount, guys. Today and tomorrow, 80%. You can get a 50k evaluation account from Apex for only $33, guys. So you should buy a few. I mean, really, if you by accident blow the account up and you wait for the next bill, you're gonna get the same price as well. So it's a good deal. And of course, if you use my code, it helps out the stream a little bit. So thank you, just considering it. And also, there's a good discount for your first account as well. Just for the others at My Funded Futures and Top Step, you can also, if you're a new customer, you can have 20% discount, and your first reset also has a 50% discount. So I have all the codes. You can choose whatever you want. What should I do now? Okay, guys, I hope you reached the... Did we go for the 208 already? Almost 2 ticks down, but maybe some of you guys took profit already. So I was talking about, while we're waiting for this one to break this structure, I can tell you that this is a MetaTrader indicator set. Now don't worry, I'm not using indicators. So I'm not trading only based on indicators, just saying. But this indicator, specifically, it's a set of indicators. There you go. I think we broke higher. So this is NASDAQ, but on a CFD. So this indicator exactly, I mean, it helped me many, many times as a confluence or confirmation to enter to some trades. Now I'm going to upload a YouTube video and you guys are going to be able to access this indicator for free. But the exact setup and the entry model, how I'm using it in Confluence with ICT Concepts, I'm going to upload it to my YouTube, to my Discord only, to my members. But if you go to my Discord, it's only $10. You can already download it, but that's not the point. I'm going to be doing a mini course there, and it's going to be great. We had so much good result. I was testing it on FTMO, and it was great. Very low risk, and we were able to push the account to over 2% or 3% with a very, very tiny and low risk in about 6 trading days or something like that, with risking like 0.2% or something like that. I'm gonna put together the whole video. I have so much to do, guys. I think I'm over promising myself. I shouldn't. So I shouldn't. You like NQ long to 936. It's a good target. It's consequent encroachment. So on that 1 hour level. So just digging into that liquidity. I'm not in a position. I took a position from down here on based on the 15-minute. And yeah. So yeah, we should be going for that level, at least to pop into the 30s. So I have no entry right now. I can go down to the 1 minute as well, but I have no entries. You see, nothing. The only entry that I could have added more is this fair value gap down there. It's not even a perfect one. It was on the 5 minute, but right now, as you can see, it's pretty much just going up the stairs, you know, going up, down, up, down, up, down. No real displacement. I think it's just going to climb up slowly, which can also mean if we reach to a certain level of, I don't know, liquidity, it can also go down the elevator quick and maybe reprice lower. So you have to be very patient on this one. Oops. I have a squiggly chair. I almost recovered from my loss with his... Oh, nice. This long. Okay. Stop at 16,900. Okay, that's a good stop, I think. Lucky I had like 50 drawdown. Well, as you know, it depends on your account. Of course, if you're using a 5K account, then the 900 got popped. The 900 got popped. What the heck? Stop at break even. Yeah, I think you're out. I'm not sure. But it was a nice ride though. So it was still a nice ride. But hey, it is what it is. This is trading, guys. This is trading. Yesterday I had such a struggle, to be honest. You guys want to hear a funny story? It's not even funny. You want me to be extremely transparent with you guys? You guys want that? You guys want transparency? I can give you transparency as much as you want. Jinxed it, yeah. So guys, I don't know how to put this, but I've blown an evaluation account. Yes, That's the truth. I have blown an evaluation account. Yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. But it's I mean, not that I how should I say? It's not like anybody else's. It's not. But the reason I blown an evaluation account is it was absolutely my stupidness and my fault, and it was not because of how could I put this? It was not because of acting up stupid trades or something like that. It was partially a technical mistake that I made. It was partially a technical mistake. Done. Kitty took a nice long done for today. So if you took a long, are you in profit? You took a long profit from long from here. I hope you are. Are you in profit? Did you close it? Anyway, I hope you're doing great. So the thing that happened, that I was trading a 50k MyFunded Futures evaluation account, and I'm using Quantower, and I'm deliberately using Quantower now as for charting as well. And I have Quantower screens on my other monitors opened up because I can have multiple screens. And so the chart trader, which is this one, this is the chart. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. So the chart trader toolbar was opened up on my left screens, but on my left monitor, I can't pull it over because now I just locked the screen. But on my left monitors, I have the chart trader toolbar. And so what happened is that I got opened up the micro NASDAQ and I got opened up the regular mini NASDAQ next to each other with two tabs. So there are two tabs next to each other, and both of the tabs has the chart trader opened up, both of those tabs. So what I was doing, I was watching to the right, I was watching TradingView, and I was watching my other monitor. And so my chart trader toolbar is on the left monitor. And I totally forgot that my chart was left open on the minis. So I left my chart opened up on the minis, not on the micros. So my strategy was that I'm going to add a few contracts one by one to the trade. So it started to go against me, I think. So on the left side, all I was watching is I was pushing the buy button on the chart trader, and I was adding one by one, and I wasn't even aware that what I'm doing. I was adding one contract, and all I saw is just, okay, contract added, blah blah blah. And by the time I realized, I added like 4 or 5 mini contracts. So I was in 5 mini contracts, not micros, 5 minis in a buy. And of course, Murphy's Law, what happened right after I added 5 mini contracts, it immediately started to go against me. So 5 mini contracts is a lot. That is $100 per point on NASDAQ, $100. So it immediately started to dump, went against me like $1,000 in 1 minute or 2 minutes, like that, like boom, this instantly went against me. So I was in drawdown $1,000 like crazy. So then I was like, I got frozen, like, what the hell? I was totally in like, I was as ICT says, I was like the deer in the lights, you know, in the headlight, like, what the hell is going on? I left my chart opened up on the NQ, not on the MNQ. So that was the problem. And I was watching to the right, as I do now, but my other monitor where the chart trader is on the left. So I was just pushing the mouse and adding one more contract, and boom, I was down in $1,000 with 5 contracts. I was down a $1,000 drawdown. And, you know, you're 150 away from break even. Nice. So anyway, long story short, I got angry. I got angry by the drawdown. I got so frustrated because I was only working with micros on that account. I was up like I I don't know, a few $100 I was up on the account only with micros, with 1, 2, 3 micros, blah blah blah, something like that. And then I got so angry that I got to be in this huge drawdown that I just said, okay, I said the F word, F this, I just let it go. I don't care. So it happened and just got back to me and blow my whole account. As you all know, a 50k account at MyFunded Futures has $2,000 of trailing stops, so it didn't really had to take too much time until after that my $2,000 threshold got blown out instantly. So it was actually a very stupid mistake by me. If I would have taken with micros, I would have suffered the loss, but just a portion of a loss that I could have taken. But that's how I blown out in evaluation accounts. So yesterday I restarted a new evaluation account with MyFunded Futures. It's my stupid mistake. So yeah, there you go. So I'm just, you know, trying to stay transparent to you guys. I was like, no way that this happened. Actually, you know what happened? I was streaming. I was making $240 on stream with micros, and when I closed the stream, I saw the move, and I didn't want to miss the move, but I forgot that I left my chart trader on the NQ, not on the micros. And so on stream I made 240, and at the end of after the end of the stream I blown the account. Boom. Stupid mistake. I learned from it. So it's a new platform for me because I wasn't trading Quantower before. Anyway, it is what it is, guys. So by the way, we're looking for some new entries. This is the 1 minute. We don't really see anything specific right now. And what else? What else? There is still buy side. There's a swing high at 928. So yeah, I'm still bullish on this one. I just don't have any entries for you guys. Even if I go for the 5-minute chart, let me reload the data. Even if I go to the 5-minute chart, I don't really see anything here. We see a bullish order block, by the way. So, for example, this one, let me put a line here. So that right there, can I put a thicker line here? Yeah, let's put it this. So that right there is a bullish order block. It's not a strong one, but this one is going down to pick up some liquidity here. So if you want to go long on this bullish order block at 896 on the 5-minute, you can do so. It's not a strong order block, but it is an order block. Not the perfect one. It is absolutely not the perfect one. But if you're still biased pretty much on the long side, this is exactly the point where you can take a long attacking buy side up there. So be careful, but you can do that if you want to. If you want to on this bullish order block. I'm even considering to jump in as well. I'm also considering it too. If I jump in here, a 97, maybe. I don't know. On the 5-minute bullish order block, let's see. Not really my favorite position here, to be honest. But I do have my bias to the upside, so should I risk it for the biscuit? All right, I'm in. I'm in the position. Only a small trade. And this time it's not a mini, it's a micro. I thought that it's going to go against me, of course. And so I really want to be in the move when it wants to break higher to the 30s. If it's not gonna break higher, I'm gonna figure out where my stop loss is gonna be. I think I'm gonna use a tight one. I think I'm gonna use a tight stop here. Sorry about my stream bot that is spamming all over the place, but I tried everything and it does its own time period and stuff like that. I don't know how to control this. So let me check my targets. I'm gonna be targeting the 927 just to make sure, and my stop is going to be at 82.75 maybe, just to give it some room if it wants to pick up some liquidity from down there. So let me update you guys on what I'm doing. I think it's gonna go against me, damn it. No worries, I had a good trade from earlier, and this one is only the smallest trade with 1 micro. Let's see how it goes, but doesn't really look good. Let me update. My entry was 97.25. Yeah, 97.25, 82.75. So yeah, and my target is 27. Okay, 82.75. Okay, my entry is 97.25. Okay, so this is my trade that I have on right now. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. This is exactly my entry. Not a fan of it. Absolutely. It's a tight stop, so I don't mind if it takes me out. I really want this one to go into that liquidity up there. I just thought that it should be enough for it for retracement, and maybe the order block can hold it. It's still holding it somehow, but I don't have high hopes for it. Yeah, it's gonna go down. So again, I'm just saying it might be a short stream. I hope not that short, but one of my friends is coming over because we're packing a garage. A lot of stuff there, and it would be hard for me to do it alone, and he's coming over to help me out, and he's gonna be here in any moment, and I might have to close the stream earlier. I don't know. Typical consolidation profile. Yeah, I thought that this order block is just gonna hit it and continue higher, but as I said, this is the smallest position, only 1 micro on me. I just wanted to see the reaction and not miss the move to dig into a little bit of a liquidity up there. But if it takes me out, let it be. I don't mind. I made a good profit on this long, so let's hope that something will happen. Let's check out what the indicator is telling us. Nothing. Nothing on the indicator, but could be good for a long later. So that video is coming, guys. I'm gonna upload that video. I might even consider to close it to save a few bucks on the commission at least. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, because this candle is entitled to be an order block because the down close candle digged into liquidity, made an up close candle with a higher high that also broke structure to the highs. It broke the 908. So technically it's not the perfect one, it's not the strongest one, but it is an order block. And I thought that if it retraces back down, it's just gonna hit it and go higher, but we are in daily premium, so that is why this is a much more higher risk trade, and this is the smaller risk, the smallest risk I could take. on this one. Maybe a move at 10. Yeah, who knows? Who knows? We're still at the so-called silver bullet area or time area, but let's see how it goes. Risk-reward ratio is 2-to-1, so that is good. But what good is it if we don't go there? Okay, this is better. Label position is good. Okay, this is good. RR2. Come on. All right. Just blew your XFA. What the hell? Ukando, come on. Small SMT bullish with ES. It was your only XFA, dude. Can bounce for Ukando, man. I'm suggesting because you told something that you got back to. You got back some of your losses. I mean, dude, what the hell? What the hell? London is slow. Absolutely, just ain't right. Is here in the house again. No, he was here before. So yes, it's a little slow. Sometimes London is the graveyard shift. And as I just saw the latest video from ICT, he has some good points that maybe by the first part of the year until the summertime, maybe the New York PM sessions are going to be a little bit better. Because until Christmas, the New York PM sessions tend to be a little bit slow. I think maybe it was just my personal view, but he also said that we should expect some more movement in the PM sessions until the summer in New York. So that is a good thing. And London is, well, the real graveyard shift is the Asia session. So I don't know who trades in Asia. Huge respect to the ones who are trading the Asia session for 1 or 2 points there on NASDAQ. Maybe some Forex pairs move better, or maybe some Asian index futures are moving the way like they should, but you know. So again, guys, going to and blue it again. Tilted. Yeah, you're tilted, Ukando. You maybe you should go with a demo account, or maybe for today it's Thursday. So for today, if I were you, I would go maybe with the pure demo account. I'm not sure if you were in a MetaTrader brokerage or not. You can have a free demo at FTMO. Register for FTMO for a 2-week trial. It's free. Go with the demo account. Try to trade on that. And I'm not sure. I think you're journaling because you said, but maybe go with the journal. Write down some thoughts. And if I were you, maybe I should take a walk or read or do something. I think being at the charts right now is not the best idea. I don't know. Or maybe stay with the charts, but do some studying or journaling, or go to the cage with the demo. You know, go to the cage with the demo and play around with that. If you really, I do that actually sometimes. When I screw up my mindset with overtrading. I do that. Ukando, by the way, Ukando, please, you find my email. Send me an email, okay? Yeah, it's in the about section, or it's on my website too, but it's in the YouTube about section. Hold on, guys, I have to go to the door. Somebody's here. All right, here we are. And one of my friends just joined the stream. Hey, he's waving. I told you guys I'm going to have some company. So that's why I told you guys we're going to have a little bit of a shorter stream. My friend is here to kick my ass, actually. So, but yeah. What are you guys? I have my work starting. Yeah, focus on. Ukando, send me an email, please. Okay, please send me an email. I wanna send you a little something. Okay. NQ long 16890 to 16936. Stop at 168. What the heck? Stop at 688. Are you in for the long run? 1 mini. I'm going to bed. So okay. Let's hope it goes well. I only have this trade on, so let's hope it goes well. I'm not sure yet, but I still feel that we should be breaking higher to the 921 or even to the 930s, all the way up there to the 930s. And by the way, if you haven't liked it already, please push the like button, you know, and use my codes. You can read it up there somewhere. You know, there's my codes. Apex has a huge discount, actually 80%. So that's the best to go with. Also, if you're a new customer, go with My Funded Futures or TopStep, because My Funded Futures can give you an account also for only $50, which is a good thing. This is the only trade I have for now. Silver Bullet Hour is soon ending, but yeah, let's hope we will get something. This trade was only based on the bullish order block on the 5-minute and on the fact that I'm looking for price to go higher. So I'm looking for it to go higher. Okay, no problem. Which account is 50k? The starter account will. If you go with the starter account and you use my code, you can get it for. It's regularly $100, but you can get it for 50 with the code. Just type in Tom Sabo. And what I meant to say, Trader Oracle, guys, huge applause to Trader Oracle because he's like a real oracle. I'm telling you guys. So the starter account is 100, but you can get it for 50 if you use the code. But there is a difference because you do have to pay the activation fee once you pass, which is $149. But if you go to the expert account, then you have a 24% discount, but no activation fee at my phone. That's, I think, by the way, with the activation fee, because you have to think about the activation fee too, the best thing you can choose is the My Funded Futures expert account. Whatever you guys think, money-wise, the best value is the expert account with the discount. No activation fee. I think you can get it overall for $120 something, because TopStep has the $149 activation fee. Apex has a monthly fee for $85 as well. So, but if you just want to jump in with the cheapest price, go with the starter. It's only $50 for the first account. And if, for God's sake, if you just blow the account, leave the subscription because if you want to, because it's going to rebuild also on the same 50% discount price as long as you're not passing it. So that's a good price, by the way. And we're still in the trade. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, no problem, Will. No problem, Will. Absolutely. Unfortunately, it seems like that the trade is slowly going against us. I don't like that move. It made the structure shift, unfortunately, on the 5 minute. I think we had a small gap here. Yes, so we had a small gap on the 5 minute, and this is not good for us. It made this gap. Let me change the color. What's the color? How can I change the color on this? No. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, that's not good. So unfortunately, that fair value gap is not good. It's actually a short position on the 5 minute. I totally forgot to mention that we had a structure shift down by shifting into this swing low. This candle shifted down, retraced back, so this position got to be in a real jeopardy. So consider to close it down. It's going against my original theory, and it's a much stronger indication. I think it can go for the swing low, so consider to close it down if you want to, or just lower your risk somehow. I don't know if you can take partials from it, but this here is a classic YouTube 2022 model. Entering on this one, targeting this low at 72. I think I'm just gonna close the trade. I'm actually thinking to close the trade, honestly, because I think it will go down. But since it's only 1 micros on my side, I don't really care about that. But this is a classic short entry, guys, and this is totally against what I thought that's gonna happen this morning. So trade it on your own discretion. It is what it is. It is what it is. If I look at the higher time frame, we are still, well, actually on the higher time frame. Let me reload the data. The higher time frame, we are technically in a bullish order block. So, as the old rule says, higher time frame rules. So this is a 15-minute bullish order block, which is a good sign for us, but I just have a bad feeling that it's not going to help us out. This 5 minute was such a beautiful short move that it can just spike down in a matter of seconds. So please consider to manage your risk accordingly. All right. I am going to leave my trade on and accepting my loss. If it hits the stop loss, I'm accepting my stop, and that's it. Hold. Yeah, I'm gonna hold it out even if it takes me out, because then I'm not gonna be messed up in the head. I had my original analysis. If it proves wrong, unfortunately, then it proves wrong. But just to let you guys know, this is a classic 5-minute short entry right here. So let's see what the indicator tells us. Nothing. Okay, so there's nothing there, and we're gonna get taken out on this one. I'm gonna leave my stop. I'm gonna leave everything. It's 82.75, so let's see what it does actually. It's only a few points, like 5 points away, so pretty high chance that I'm gonna get taken out here. Hans is here. 61.8 fib on 4 hour only takes short from, yeah, ICT is not very good. Well, you know, I think there could be some truth in that. I mean, as far as I didn't check the 61.8, but I'm gonna look for it. I was just looking for a small move to the upside there, but yeah. But yeah, 61.8 fib on the 4 hour only takes short. Yeah, Yeah. Gotta admit. Yeah, it's gonna take us out. But if you took this one, then you can go down all the way below the 870s. So I might even consider to close it a little bit earlier just to save some commission. It's gonna take out the swing low at 79, so there is no use to move the stop lower. So let's wait. You're back, Ukando. Nice. As I told you, just go play with the demo for now. Yeah, so the silver bullet hour is going to end soon. And if we look at some higher time frames, so unfortunately this one I think is going to go to the dumpster. If you're short, I hope you can hold it all the way down to at least, well, you can hold it all the way down to the 55s. Maybe it's going to return to the midnight opening range, but at least it should break the 70s if you're short. I'm not going to mess around with this trade. Let it be, and that's all I can say. My overall bias is still unchanged, so I'm going to be looking for some opportunities if it takes me out, and we're going to start to attack the buy side again. I'm going to be looking for more opportunities to go long. That's all you can do. I had a nice long from around, yeah, from the 74s. It was great, and this is the smallest position, so 1003 or 04, and we know, yeah, exactly, Joey. Around 1003 we should know what it does. 1003? You mean, yeah. Or Eastern Standard Time, 4:03 or 4. Well, we should know. Let's see. If it's really a, if they really want to push it, well, they can stop me out. But if this whole move from the morning is really to take out previous day high at 21, then this level at 69 should not be broken, at least not with the down close candle. Only they can wick it out, but then it should go back above there. That would be the move that I would like to see, but otherwise, who knows, right? I'm still in the trade, but this was, I'm not feeling safe yet. I'm not feeling safe yet, so we're still in. Smash that like, guys. Thank you so much if you can support. Okay. We're just waiting, guys. Just waiting. Let me know your thoughts. And let's just wait it out. All right, guys. So still waiting. So far, we are not out of the woods yet. The trade is still intact, but we're not out of the woods. We were just talking here, but there's not much else to do here until we're waiting for this trade to evolve. As I told you guys, I'm still waiting for the 21 level to crack. What I can do and what I would like to do is it's really not my type of thing, but if by some miracle we would break the 21 or maybe the high, I don't know, I'm gonna put the trade to break even, maybe. Otherwise, I would like to leave some room for it to breathe. The indicator is telling me to go long, by the way, so that's a good news. But I'm gonna do the update about that, guys. So Don't you guys worry. Final TP is still at 27. So it's still at 27. The final TP for the trade is still at 27. So it's just a waiting game. Let's watch paint dry. Okay. This is all we can do for now. Let me know what you guys are doing or what you guys think. Because so far, we're just chatting here. And I'm also reacting to your thoughts as well. Otherwise, I'm just waiting for this trade to turn out good. Joey, we can go to 16,800. Oh yeah, this is my friend there. He's an expert trader. He already told me what the new levels are, so that's the secret. Only Discord members would know that. So he already knows where this shit is going to go. So I mean, he's ICT's friend as well, straight from the US here. So we know where this thing is gonna go. You guys don't. So I'm just trying to be. I'm just talking gibberish, guys. We're really. So Joey told us that we can go to 16,800. We can definitely dip down. If this is going to fail, if this fails and we break lower, then if I just look at the 1 hour time frame, we can definitely go to the 8. We'd have so much room to fall down here. So yeah. But let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Okay. All right, guys, I totally forgot that this trade almost broke the high here. The high was 21.75. We touched that level, but as I said, I am going to... Hold on. I'm going to put this trade to break even. Okay. So this trade is... I'm gonna leave 2 ticks for commission. This trade is officially at break even, guys. Why can't I put it to break even? Stop loss is a break even, all right? I'm moving my stop to 97. Okay, so now my trade is at break even. We cannot lose on this one. Final TP, I'm gonna leave it at 27. I'm gonna be looking for the 30s to break. If it takes me out, I'm totally fine with it. It's no problem. We cannot lose on this trade anymore. So I'm not saying it was a picture perfect trade, because I almost got taken out, so I am grateful that we should not be losing. I mean, we're not going to be losing on this one. If it takes me out at break even, it's fine. Okay, and with that, guys, I think I'm going to have to shut the stream because we're going to go and do some stuff. I'll be back to the New York session. Enjoy the rest of the morning on London session. I'm sorry about if I was a little bit quiet now. We were talking here, but you guys still get the idea of what trade I took. Please consider to use my codes and consider to subscribe to the Discord membership. There's going to be a lot more content. You know, if you're rich, send some money. No. You know, just join me on the New York stream if you can. I'll be happy to see you guys. So have a great morning and see you guys. Yeah, we're going on a date. Actually, he's paying, and that's it. Yeah, we're going on a date. Exactly. Okay, guys. See you on the New York session. All right. Have a good one. Thank you for being here. Push the like, subscribe, and join Discord and every other stuff. Check my links. All right. Thank you for being here. Cheers.